What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sharp Technique. I got an awesome lineup here. These are 3 knives, all made by the same company, Condor Tool and Knife. I love these knives. Honestly, they're right within the budget. They're not going to break the bank. They're not going to hurt the wallet. If you want to lend them to somebody while you're out in the field, it's not going to hurt you. If they break it or if they do something wild with it, it's going to be okay. These knives, I've had them for a bit. I haven't had as much usage as I wanted to. There's other tools that I depend on aside from these, but nonetheless, I have had some time. I do like them. These are made in El Salvador, but don't let that scare you. Again, these sheaths are really well made. This one here in particular is my small mini Bushlore camp knife. This is a 3-inch carbon steel with a satin blade and a hardwood handle. And again, these all come included a leather sheath. This is a 3-inch blade. Really cool. Thickness here is 1/8, and the overall length is 6.5 inches. The blade material is 1075 high carbon steel, and the blade finish is blasted satin. Again, hardwood handle, handcrafted sheath, and the weight is 0.20 pounds. This is a design by Joe Flowers, and again, these are made in El Salvador. But don't let that scare you. These things are very well put together, and honestly, I've been using these and I haven't had any issues with them. I really like how this small one feels. I'm a big fan of Condor knives. I have axes that are also made in El Salvador. Haven't had any issues with them. So don't be afraid to purchase some of these. Again, if you want to keep your high-end knives, camp knives for yourself, and then maybe hand these out to your, maybe to a teenager. You're trying to take him out there. You're trying to show him or her the way of the bushcrafter. These are perfect just to get them started. These are also perfect to hand to a friend. Don't be afraid to get out there. Again, this is not going to break the bank. This one here in particular is coming in at $55, so it's not going to be one of those things that's going to be detrimental. It's not going to hurt you. So check it out. This next one here is a Condor Kephart fixed blade knife. Now, the reason why I got this Kephart is because it reminds me a lot of a kitchen style knife. I like this little drop point here. I thought it was kind of cool, kind of aggressive. Again, you could tell these are a little bit more low budget based on some of the finishes here, but don't get it twisted. The handle feels really good, and you know what? This thing is so sturdy. Like, I don't know. Honestly, I think it's a good bang for the buck. And again, they all come with leather sheaths. So this one here in particular is awesome. This is a fixed blade. This one comes in a black plain finish. This is a 4.5 overall blade length, 9 inches overall from blade to back of the handle. This is a drop point design. This is a 1075 blade material. This is a flat grind, black finish again. Edge is plain. The handle is 4.5 inches in length. This is just wood material. There is a leather sheath that's included with all of these knives. It is made by Condor, and the best use for this, they're targeting the hunting community, which I can see it. I mean, honestly, the knife is pretty sharp. I've been cutting some meat here and there, so the knife is really good, is really sharp. Again, these are not gonna break the bank, guys. This one is only coming in at $59.65. So total of 60 bucks. I mean, honestly, the craftsmanship is pretty good. And again, these all come with a leather sheath, so you will be able to put this on your belt. You can even hook up a nice little dangler to these if that's your style. And again, you can hand these to people. You don't have to keep these. You can give these away as gifts. Christmas season is coming. This is a good gift for your kids. And when I mean kids, I mean teenagers. But if you do have kids that are out there in the outdoors and they already know how to use knives, or they're scouts, why not? I mean, this small one right here, this thing's a really cool. I love this little mini Bushlore. This thing's awesome. Now this top one here, this one is the Condor Swamp Romper. This one's a little bit better fitted to the sheath, but I love that overall design. This thing is so cool. Also a 4.5-inch polished blade. This is a very good durable knife that you can take out there in the backwoods. Whatever you want to do with these, but honestly, again, I really love this Scandi grind. It's got a cool little drop point. It's a satin finish, plain edge, handles of 5 inches. This handle is made of walnut, where the other ones just say hardwood. This one's actually made of walnut. Color is brown. Again, these come with a leather sheath, but what's cool about this one is that this one actually comes with a dangler already included. So that right there is awesome. And you have a nice little pocket here for your fire steel. So again, very affordable. They're calling this one the Swamp Romper, and I could see why. It's got that nice little swamp vibe to the blade. Are made in Salvador. This one's mainly being targeted for camping, hiking, and honestly, all of these knives are going to be cool gifts if you guys want to give them out for Christmas. I don't have any links at the bottom because I don't get paid by any of these companies. All of these knives that I buy them out of my own pocket. Nobody pays me to say anything about these knives. I have used these. It's been limited use, but I have cut meat with them. I have did a little bit of batoning with this one and this one, and honestly, they feel really good. The leather sheaths feel awesome. It's not going to break the bank, so check these out. You can get these anywhere where knives are sold, particularly like Knife Center, which actually gives you points if you purchase from them. Blade HQ doesn't give you any points. They do every now and then have like little free working mats or free stickers, but I would rather have the points. So if you guys are going to start getting into buying knives, look at Knife Center. They do give you points you accumulate, and then pretty soon you can cash in like a $10 coupon, $20 coupon. So that's all I have for you guys today. And as always, stay sharp.